Ethereum is currently trading at exactly $3,039.50, and while the broader market remains gripped by fear, something historic is happening beneath the surface that most investors are completely missing. Exchange balances have just hit an all-time low of only 8.84% of total supply, less than half of Bitcoin's ratio. That means more ETH is now locked in staking, restaking, Layer 2 bridges, and institutional custody than ever before in history. This is not temporary profit-taking. This is permanent removal of sell pressure. At the same time, the ETH-BTC pair is testing multi-year support between 0.031 and 0.034 satoshis. Analyst Michael van de Papa recently pointed out that higher timeframe support has held and that this level represents the starting point of a broader reversal. In his words, Ethereum would outperform Bitcoin in the coming period and the entire Ethereum ecosystem would thrive. On the dollar chart, the key resistance everyone is watching sits between $4,800 and $4,885. A weekly close above that zone is widely considered the technical confirmation needed to open the door to $6,800 and potentially $8,800 in an extended move. Perhaps the most striking development came from Fundstrat's Tom Lee, who stood on stage at Binance Blockchain Week in Dubai and declared, "Ethereum at $3,000 is grossly undervalued." He reiterated his base case scenario of Bitcoin reaching $250,000 while the ETH-BTC ratio returns to its 2021 peak of 0.25, a simple calculation that results in approximately $62,500 per ETH. And he's not just talking. BitMine Immersion Technologies, the public company he chairs, just purchased another $199 million worth of Ethereum in the past 24 hours, bringing their total holdings closer to 3% of circulating supply. Despite the crypto fear and greed index sitting at 21 and recent ETF outflows, the structural supply dynamics have never been more bullish. The question now is straightforward. Will the combination of record low exchange supply and aggressive institutional accumulation be enough to absorb any near-term selling pressure and finally push Ethereum through that $4,800 ceiling? What do you think is more likely in the next 3 to 6 months? Ethereum breaking $4,885 and starting a new rally, or a deeper pullback toward $2,500 to $2,600 before the real move? I'll read you in the comments. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, consider subscribing for daily market updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.